screen. Okay, today we're going to cover what is a profile, what are different types of profile, and before that, app creation and tabs and objects. Okay, first thing, whatever we explain in admin, uh, mostly they're divided into a standard and custom. That will be more common. So first we will understand um, what is a standard, custom. So it's not any feature. So whenever we explain any feature, basically we divided that into two things, standard and custom. So what is a standard and what is a custom? Standard is something that is already available in Salesforce. Whenever you sign up without doing anything, it's already available. That is a standard, which is already created by Salesforce, and you cannot delete it. Whatever the standard feature or whatever the standard that we're saying in Salesforce, you do not have a access to delete them. I think you can do a renaming them like a labels and all, but you cannot delete them, and you don't have a much control. Actually, I can say frankly, you will not have much control on the standard things. Whatever already Salesforce provides, you will be having that features, and you will not have much access. I'm not saying like no access. You will not have much access, or like you cannot do whatever you want to the standard things. Still you can make some changes. It's not completely restricted. Still you can make some changes, which are limited changes you can do. And custom, where you have a full control. Still in custom also there are like some set of things that are used by the Salesforce where we don't have a control, but most of the things you can control in a custom thing, which are created by us, like who are the admins or who are using the org, which are created by us, not by the Salesforce. Those are the custom things. Standard is what Salesforce offers by default, without which is not created by us. So we have very less control. Still we can change some of them as a standard ones. So there is a standard and custom. I will add notes later, so otherwise it will take much time. Any doubts there? Standard and custom. I think it's overall a difference. I say, but we'll move on. First, we'll log on. For login, what you have to use? Login.salesforce.com. So batch1 sftech.com. Great. So if you register a mobile here, then you have two-factor authentication, right? Instead of verification code to email, you can change it to your mobile also. So I don't want to do it now. So I don't want to register my phone. Okay. Now we are in. Now we already in a setup mode. If you see here, there's a setup homepage object manager. So you might have remember. So whatever we do now, everything will go to this wheel and we'll go to setup and start doing it. So you cannot go blindly. So when you go to a setup, this is how the page looks. This name will be a setup, and you have two tabs, home and object manager. If already you are in a setup page, you don't need to go to the setup again. Okay, so when you're in setup, so how you can see the profiles already available. So right, like where we use a profile, when we create a new user, it's required to have a profile. So this profile is based on what licenses you gave to your user. So to create any user, you must need a profile based on your license given to the user. Clear? So profile will be in the user section. In the user, you will have a profiles. Okay. Now we are in the setup profiles page. In this page, if you look at most of the pages, like what are the pages you are in, most of the pages will be look similar to this. So what this called as a list view. So list view means what are all available things that we have in Salesforce. Everything will be listed here in the form of a list or a table. So what we call it is in Salesforce is a list view. In list view, it's a common. So what you see, it's a classic version of it. If it's a classic version, so you see all alphabets here, A to Z, and other, and all. So if you do any, I mean, if you do any click on any letter, it will get filtered by starting of that letter. You don't see anything else. So if something you feel that you are missing, that you need to make sure that you always selected on all. If you select any letter, it will show only the what are the list we are seeing now. Now we are seeing profiles, right? All profiles starting with the C. If I click on C, you don't see any other letters. You see all starting letters with a C only, no other things. Okay, so you have to make sure that when you're looking for everything, you have to make sure that you selected all. By default, it will be all only. Like if it is some more records, you cannot scroll and search. You can simply filter using these letters. Okay, just observe what we have now. So we have one drop down here, and we have a edit, delete, create new view. This is the thing, but we can have a multiple views. So one way is to filter by using these letters, right? When you click on the letter, it will filter with the starting of the letter. This is the one filter you have. Whatever the list view it is, the view will be same, just it will filter out the records if you use these letters. Then I will come back to this section later, this filter. And then you have this section, how many records you want to see per page. So total we have 38 records. Here we are seeing 1 to 25. That means we are seeing a 25 records per page. If I make it as a 10, then it will be you will see only 10 records per page. Like that. So up to you can go to 200 here. Okay, always if when you want to look at more records, you can use this records per page option to set the how many records you want to see in this page. So I don't want to navigate back and forth, so I selected 100. So if you select